Hi, this is Justin with ExcelGainz. This is part of our VBA series. This video does not teach you how to write macros. Instead, we'll show you how to apply a pre-written VBA code that can assist you. VBA is used in Excel when there's not a pre-existing function or tool available to accomplish a task. So this video in particular shows you how to combine multiple columns and put it into one. So you'll start by hitting Developer tab and hitting Visual Basic. And then you will insert a module. So in the description below, you're going to go ahead and copy this VBA code into this white box, which Excel calls a module. And then you will hit the play button to run the macro. Now you'll notice in quotes here, you can type anything you want. So this says, please select the data range. You can change that. And I have ExcelGainz here in the top. So this is our range, and I'll hit OK. And you'll see now these three columns are in one listing. If you want to see more VBA tricks like this, please subscribe. If you have any questions, leave a comment below.